Okay, so today I will be making a video with my brother. We will be having a paper airplane contest. Sorry for background noises. We will each be getting the same materials to make the paper airplanes. And yeah. Okay, so our materials are 2 pieces of paper and crayons to color, but if you don't want to color, you don't have to. I think I'm going to color. I don't know if my brother is, so here we go. Okay, we're about to introduce our airplanes. My brother's making his. I'm done with mine, but I'm going to introduce like both of our airplanes once we're ready. So, just 1 second. So this is my brother's airplane.
It's kind of messed up, but you know what I'm saying? That's cool, that's cool.
Okay, here's my airplane. You know, a lot of decoration. Okay, so here we go.
Alright.
Here's my brother's airplane. Okay. So it landed over here, which is
Yeah, I did better than you the first time, though, without on the camera.
Okay, so my turn. Okay, here's my plane.
They went the same.
Okay, it's a tie. So we'll decide this normal way. Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Click! Okay, so we decided to do it rock, paper, scissors the old way. So we're gonna do best 2 out of 3. So here we go. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh.
Yes, I got one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Okay, so my brother won that round. Well, not round, but he won.
Tell him I'm a winner.
He said he's a winner, so. See you guys later. Bye!